Introducing the USHA Cooktop 1600 watt induction cooktop. This black cooktop consumes 1600 watts and requires 230 volts. It is resistant to voltage fluctuation up to 1500 volts and has a 10 amp plug with earthing. It comes with a frequency of 50 Hz. The product measures 35.5 by 27 by 6.5 centimeters and weighs 2.75 kilograms. This cooktop has a fast heating feature and 5 preset menu options that automatically select temperature and cooking duration. It also allows for manual settings. The induction cooktop has a pan sensor technology that detects incompatible vessels and shuts power supply. For safety, it switches off if it gets too hot. It also automatically changes to a power-saving mode when needed. The cooktop also has a built-in timer, programmable up to 180 minutes with auto shut-off and pause function. The product comes with a flexible cord of 1.2 meters. The glass top remains cool to touch and the body has anti-skid feet. The box contains one induction cooktop, an instruction manual, and a warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.